Hello and welcome. I hope you can see this because Facebook is still giving me the blue circle of death. But if not, I have pressed the record button. So thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart, and I am really excited to come in today with this really cool tip on how to turn on or off your comment ranking for your personal profile. Now, I am a firm believer in the parable that if you give a person a fish, they eat for a day, but if you teach a person to fish, their family eats for generations. And there are two skill sets that I am a firm believer in follows that. Digital marketing is one of them. And now this one isn't necessarily a digital marketing skill set, but it is something that I think will be helpful for you when you're building up your engagement and you're looking to be able to respond better to comments. Now there was a change to the Facebook integration GUI, the graphical user interface. I don't know how recent it was, but it showed up in my news feed as a hey, don't forget about this. So I'm coming on today to show you how to change this so that way you can make it set for what you want for your personal profile. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So on here, this is a screenshot of my personal profile. On the top right of anytime you're logged into Facebook, you will see this little down arrow, and when you click on it, it will expand. It'll show your pages that you have. If you currently use Business Manager like I do, since I am a social media agency, digital marketing agency, I do have a Business Manager that handles different pages and all that stuff there. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on Settings. And it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see in the top left, it's highlighting general, but you want to click on public posts. And what's great about this section, if you were not aware, and I have a training on this if you'd like, just say follow me, or actually just put the word follow down below, and I'll send the full training to you. But basically, this is where you can make sure that you are leveraged properly, so that people can see you, and including people who are not currently on your friends list. And actually those tips are also part of my 14-day Facebook engagement training. So if you want that, just let me know down below with engagement. But right here is where you change this part for comment ranking. Now, when you click on edit, you have the option to either have it on or off. That is the process. Once you click edit, it'll change and click save, and you're good to go. So what does that actually do? Comment ranking means that you'll see the order of comments and the comments that are more heavily weighted to be popular comments. So they have more likes, they have more replies to the comments, right? I personally want to take that off because then they don't come in the order with which the comments were there. So you might miss responding to somebody who's responded to your post. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart, and I am passionate about empowering others to create success in their life. If you would like to learn how to leverage digital marketing to be able to do that for you, to be seen by more people, and to grow your business online or nonprofit or whatever it is you're looking to grow online, be sure to connect with me. And somewhere above below this video, there will be a link to my group, which is FREE. So go ahead. There's no reason to not join. So go ahead and click on that, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.